All right, guys, so now we're back, and I just wanted to show you, I just Googled what is the population of Patchogue, New York, and look, 12,449 people. All right, so that's what I meant before when I said, 20 to 60,000, but that's not a hard and fast rule because, like you've seen, we just looked to see if Plumber in Patchogue, New York, plumber in Patchogue, and all of these other keywords would be profitable. And like we've seen, there are actively people searching for these terms on Google. There's also people searching for them on Bing. And you can be sure that these are terms, guys, that people just aren't targeting. Okay, so if we set up campaigns and if we target these specific terms, it's going to be like shooting fish in a barrel. All right, we're going to be able to rank on the first page with multiple properties in many cases. And if you use the strategies and the tactics that I show you, everything that you're doing, all your backlinking, the way that we set up our websites, it's all going to complement each other, and it's going to make it very easy for us to dominate. Okay, and if you see right here, I searched for the term plumber in Patchogue, New York, just to see what companies came up. And this is a very good sign. When you start to see companies in the map pack that don't even have 5 ratings. Okay, this Roto-Rooter, it's a big company, but there's no reviews at all. There's no, ratings for it. We can come in here, we could get a map listing ranked. This is always another good thing when there's a lot of Home Advisors, Yelps, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. That's a great thing when you see searches that deliver these back, because that means that Google doesn't have other relevant companies to put there in the place of it. So they'll end up listing the Yelp, listing the Home Advisor, listing the Yellow Pages. And I'm telling you right now, guys, if we set up our campaign like I'm going to show you how to do here in a little bit, you're going to be able to completely wipe the floor with your competition when it comes to these local search results. Okay, we can get a map pack listing ranked here, we can get our website ranked here, we can get a YouTube video ranked up here, we can get on some of these sites that are already ranking, like Yellow Pages, Angie's List, and Yelp, and we can make our listing show up on the first page of Google so that we can dominate for the search results, have multiple properties, anywhere from 3 to 4 properties on the page 1, and therefore we're going to be getting way more calls than our competition. And like I said, it's just such an easy method, and it's so counterintuitive because nobody's teaching this, right? Everybody wants to go into the Los Angeleses, the Houston, Dallas, Texas, and but nobody's going after these little cities. Listen, guys, little cities need plumbers, electricians, every single service that a bigger city needs, little cities need them as well. Okay, there's just not as many people, and hence other people like us think there's not enough, think the juice isn't going to be worth the squeeze, right? They think it's not going to be profitable enough for them to go into, but they'd be extremely wrong. Just like I was when I first, had my doubts about this method until I actually put it into practice, and then I was blown away. All right, so now here we are. We've got a niche that I'm going to go through the example with you. I'm going to, take you through how I would go through this method with this plumber niche, and how I would start to set it up if we were targeting Patchogue, New York as our first city. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.